Inoryi. Yes.
Umukomubizi ndacyari mushyashya muri Amerika. Uracyari uwa gatatu ndi muri Amerika. Reba maze igatata we mbega isoko.
And makes something which is good for her. So therefore, is that what I'm saying, right? I think that you get what I'm saying. Because of this summer, in this July, I have to do the video, and the script is is about the true story. It's about the true story, my true story. But I want someone suited.
Mama yangu mwenye uwanja wake kaingia sasa. Game ikaisha hii. Maana sopa mnala leo hii.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Don't you understand the all words which I have spoken?
No, I've already listened. I'm saying, like, I'm asking you, can you hear my voice now?
Oh my goodness, this is too hard. You want me to repeat again?
No, I said, I listen. I've already listened to what you said. I'm asking you, can you hear my voice now?
Okay, yes.
Yeah, so you need like a girl, right?
Need Jari.
Yeah.
I need one girl, the actor, the one actor, or like one girl and two boys. First boy is a boy who will marry her, and after separate with her, right? And after the other is who will come to her and live with her, and making her pregnancy, make her be happy, everything like that.
Yeah, but like, what kind of girl and then what kind of guys like are you looking for? Their appearance.
First is someone who knows to act like someone who is in the movie.
Who is like good at like acting, right?
Yeah.
Both like the guy and the girl, like they have to be like, they just have to know like how to act, right?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Young boy ngo nibyarise ntago video ndayikora young boy. Yani ndashaka ko duhura n'abantu then nka selectiona nkabumvisha iyo audio mukayumva hanyuma mukumva ko muri tayari ko iyo ndirimbo mwayikinamo. You ready? Can you ready?
Mwenye uwanja wake kaingia.
Oh wait. I don't understand, bro.
Volati.
Okay. Like, what I would, there is no some type of like, what is this? Is there some type of like qualification? I hope it does.
Okay, I will let you know. Bucura biti mizi neza utatunga sitani zanyu network ziri gutuma abantu bamanuka, network zigatuma abantu network my goodness. So abantu
I don't know what's the price like the qualification. I don't know the qualification what that is, so just DM me and then we'll talk.
The song is about true story first of all.
No, I'm saying like I don't know about the qualification. I mean like what type of guy are you looking for? Or like what's the criteria, you know? Maybe the hair, maybe like the appearance or anything like that. Because you're putting things on video, on camera, right? It's a music like it's a video, right? whether it's a gospel or whether it's like it's music video, it doesn't matter.